Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the camera shutter lag on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, are you noticing a slight delay when you tap the shutter button like this? If yes, then you can use camera assistance to make it more snappier. So let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, we're going ahead and opening up the camera assistant module. So if you scroll all the way down, you'll find camera assistant. Tap on this. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find the quick tap shutter button. So this will take pictures as soon as you touch the shutter. An extra picture will also be taken when you swipe or hold the shutter button. So turn this feature on. And now you want to go ahead and go to your camera. So once you press the shutter button, it'll take a picture right away. So you have instant shutter response. So it's perfect for capturing fast moving subjects or candid moments from your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to fix the camera shutter lag on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.